Introducing the BRABUS Big Boy 1200, a masterpiece motorhome that combines unparalleled luxury and adventure, crafted for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, no matter where the road leads. For over 40 years, BRABUS has thrived on tackling new challenges, and the Big Boy 1200 is a testament to this legacy. Named after one of the world's largest locomotives, this motorhome takes you anywhere in style, turning every destination into a refined, BRABUS-worthy living space. At a commanding 12 meters long and with over 30 square meters of exquisitely designed interior, the Big Boy 1200 ensures that every journey feels like home. This motorhome is outfitted with 2 slide-out extensions, expanding the bedroom and saloon to an impressive 4.5 meters in width. With hydraulic supports, it remains perfectly level and steady on any surface. Access to this luxurious sanctuary is effortless, thanks to an electrically extendable step system at the entry. Inside, the BRABUS Big Boy 1200 offers everything you need for a top-tier living experience. The bedroom features a spacious double bed measuring 160 by 200 centimeters, flanked by a large closet. Entertainment is at your fingertips with a 43-inch 4K TV and an integrated PlayStation 5, while Starlink satellite internet ensures you stay connected, even in remote areas. The living room is a haven of comfort, with 2 plush sofas clad in premium BRABUS gray leather, meticulously quilted in the brand's signature triangle pattern. The kitchen boasts modern conveniences, from an induction hob and oven to a dishwasher, wine fridge, and coffee machine. For dining or working, an elegantly designed black table and matching chairs offer a cozy yet sophisticated setting. Of course, the Big Boy 1200 features a luxurious bathroom outfitted in fine natural stone, complete with a rainforest shower, wash basin, and WC, seamlessly bridging the bedroom and living area. For climate control, an automatic air conditioning system and parking heater provide comfort, while 8 solar panels and an energy storage system allow for off-grid living. Up front, the driver's cabin is equally impressive, featuring BRABUS masterpiece leather seats, crafted for long drives. A 160-centimeter wide bed can be lowered for extra sleeping space, and curtains offer privacy from the outside world. The Big Boy 1200's exterior makes a statement all on its own, sleek, all black, with an illuminated BRABUS logo on a carbon fiber grille and cutting-edge LED lights to guide the way. Powered by a robust 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbodiesel engine producing 530 horsepower, this motorhome provides the torque and stability to carry luxury wherever you go, popping out at 90 kilometers per hour. With its 360-degree camera system and 3-axle design, the BRABUS Big Boy 1200 is a sanctuary of safety, style, and substance, redefining what it means to travel in absolute comfort.